Do you guys have an Etsy shop, eBay store, sell stuff online, and need a better way to print out labels? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another product review video. Next to me right here is the NefLaca 4x6 thermal printer for shipping labels. Definitely an easy, efficient way to do it for your eBay auctions, your Amazon shipping, Etsy shipping, home office sales, etc. Right here in front of us is going to be the thermal printer. We're going to go ahead and unbox that and see what we got. We also have some extra labels as well. The printer comes with 100 labels already, and I also have an additional 500 on top in this box right here. Everything in this video, the thermal label printer and the labels, are all going to be linked in the description box below this video, where you guys can read more about this. Pick one up yourself after the video is finished. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well, if not one very similar to it. Without further ado, let's get it out of the box, see what we got, and take it through the runs. I'm actually going to print out a label for my eBay auction that I actually need to ship out today. So we'll get this out of the way. We've obviously seen labels before, but there's going to be, once again, 100 inside this box right here that comes with the printer. Let's go ahead and get this out. And here are the 100 labels it comes with right here. And also in this little bag here, we got a driver disc here if your computer is not a plug and play. We have the user manual and question self-test guide there. This model is going to be the NLN41, once again linked below. Over on this side here, we have our power plug, guesstimation 3.5 foot plug or so, with an end tip that looks like that. Over on this side, they do give you a printer cable as well. This is going to be the same thing as your typical home printer. This is going to be more of an off-white cream color, and that's probably going to be, my guess, estimated 3.5 foot plug as well. Let's look at the printer here, which we have taped on top. They're giving you a USB 3.0 to USB-C adapter there. And here we look like we have the driver download here on a USB keychain. That's really cool if you don't want to deal with the disk and want to insert that in your computer for the driver download as well. Getting that out of the way, let's go ahead and look a little closer at the printer. Coming over to this side here, you have your release button right there to go ahead and bring it up. You have your little thank you card there, and you also have your self-test page right here with the serial number, firmware, all the model number right there. Again, that lifts up and you have all of your internals here, your roller, that clamps back down, your on and off button right here on this side. Of course, we saw those tabs already right there on both sides. Coming around the back is going to be your power plug, your on and off switch, your printer input here for your cable, and on the bottom, of course, just a little bit of ventilation and soft pads. So you can have that on your desk. Off to the side matches my desk right here with the black and white, which is going to look really cool. Have that off to the side or down below, being able to print your labels really smoothly, and it's a good looking printer as well. So let's go ahead and load this machine up with our provided labels. We'll go ahead and print one out for the eBay auction I need to put at the post office right now. All right, guys, let's show you how the printer works here. Now I've loaded up again the 100 labels in the back here, labels up. I pre-configured it. I actually use the CD. You can use the USB, same exact thing. It has everything you need, Windows, Mac, etc. for the drivers. So I got my labels in here. The printer is on. I already did my test page. Now we're gonna come up here to my eBay, and I'm actually going to protect the buyer and my address as well, but I used a flat rate envelope, padded, for $8. Let's go ahead and print it. Now, if you are getting an error when you are printing for eBay, you actually need to change your default settings in eBay on your eBay dashboard next to when you are printing out a label. Let's go ahead and show you how to do that now, just in case, because that was a little snag that I hit while printing. All right, we got our eBay auction right here, and now we're gonna print out our label. Our printer is all fired up, ready to go. The computer has initialized it with the USB cable. Now, something I do want to show you, I'm going to protect the buyer's information, but you just need to drop down on eBay. If you're printing out on eBay, you want to make sure your default settings. Now, I'm on the print label page, and just off to the right-hand side, you want to make sure that your default print format settings are the PDF 4x6. If it's not that way, it's going to print super small or super large on the labels, and you don't want to be wasting labels, so make sure your settings are correct in eBay. And now we're going to go ahead and purchase that priority label here. And the label has come up over to the left, but again, for security, I'm going to go ahead and not show that label. But here in your menu, you can do this default in your settings. But what we need to do here is I need to drop that down and go to NLN41. And then the preview screen to the left here shows it entirely right there, 4x6. I'm gonna go ahead and push print. It's gonna send it via USB. I'm gonna pull back a little bit so nobody can see the addresses. Then light up green right here, and it's gonna spit out the label right here. That's far enough away, I don't think where anyone can see those addresses. And we slap that label on. It has cleanly done the whole entire 4x6. The scannable, the tracking down at the bottom, buyer's address, seller's address, and all the information priority here. Very fast. That was within seconds after hitting print. Spit that out. And then it has teeth right here where I can just rip it off like that and slap the label on. All right, guys, I got all my eBay auctions ready to roll, super fast and convenient with the printer. Ripping off the labels, printing it in seconds. The stickiness quality of the stock ones that come with it are very nice. Being able to easily stick them on. Obviously, boxes are going to be a little bit easier, flat surfaces. Sometimes the Amazon, because I actually repurpose a lot of these packaging. My buddy gives me a lot of envelopes. So sometimes with some curves, you have to kind of flatten out the top a little bit and then flatten out the bottom portion. But overall, it's a thumbs up in my book. Again, this same printer is going to be linked in the description box right below the video. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. Definitely pick up some extra paper if you're doing a lot of printing, and make sure that you do redo your eBay settings so that it prints out so you don't waste paper as well. Passes my test. Thank you so much for watching, but just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on your way out, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.